How you doing, my friends? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to drain the fuel tank in your boat. So what happened here is we just bypass the VRO system in this engine, which is the one to mix the oil with the gasoline. But since it's giving me problems, so I just took it off, but now I need to mix the oil with the gasoline in the tank, like manually. So I don't know how much gasoline I have inside the tank. So the only way for me to know is drain it out, measure it, and put it back, and then I can mix it with gasoline. So I'm going to show you a good way to do it in a safe way. So what I did was disconnect the hose that come in from the boat and the fuel tank to the engine, to electric fuel pump, which is a small fuel pump from 4 to 7 psi. It's a great pump, very cheap. You can buy it in Advanced Auto Part or any other auto part store. And I hook it up a battery, and I hook it up to a hose and to the fuel tanks. So what I'm going to do is connect it, prime it, connect it, and we will drain all the gasoline, and that way we can measure it. After a good 15 to 20 minutes, I got the fuel tank empty in my boat. I check out the fuel gauge and it showed empty, and I got out 2 of these 5 gallons bins in there. So I know in my tank I have 10 gallons of gasoline. Now I can mix it with the oil. Put everything back together, fill up the tank, put the oil, and now we're gonna start it. Perfect. That's how I got the fuel tank drained from my boat. I found that it was an easy way, clean, cheap way, and very safe to do this. So you can drain your tank for numerous purposes, like maybe water in the tank, or dirty gas, or anything. You can use the same way to do this. All right, so see you next problem, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.